Tano. RJ, what's your question?
What do you think is the most appropriate penalty for graft and corruption?
Lahat sa buong mundo, sa science ng criminology, it's not the actual penalty, but the certainty na mahuhuli ka. Sa Pilipinas, pag antibiotics, pandesal, ang nanakawin mo, sigurado huli ka. Pero pag nagnakaw ka ng malaki, magiging congressman ka. Pag mas malaki ninakaw mo, magiging senador ka. Pag barkada mo si Napoles, syempre si Napoles, i-clear ka, barkada mo siya di ba? Magiging vice president ka. At pag naging presidente ka, kasama mo, kasama na sa corruption. You go to the LTO, kumuha ka ng lisensya, corruption. You bumili ka ng bahay, sa taxes, corruption. Buong buhay natin corruption. Huwag na tayo magbulag-bulagan unless we change the system.
No, I was just wondering, kasi sinasabi ni Senator Alan, pagka malaking ninakaw mo, maging congressman, mas malaki maging senador. Is that how he became congressman? Is that how he became senator? That's not how I became congressman. It's not how I became senator.
Well, mga kababayan, alam kong sa Europe nag-aral si Senator Bongbong kahit